Hi everyone, the last assignment in Excel is Excel Advanced Features STCC 2, working directly with clustered columns. So in the very first one, in sports, select A1, Student Athletes, choose Insert, Recommended Charts. The very first one, clustered column, is perfect. Click OK. And then let's move it to its own sheet. Move Chart, New Sheet, and I'll call it Sports Chart. And it's on its own sheet, Sports Chart. So you have baseball, basketball, football, and soccer, and they're just plain blue bars. If you click this baseball bar, it selects all of the bars. If you click the baseball again, it's just the baseball bar selected. Right click, choose Format Data Point. Over on the right hand side, a window opens, Format Data Point. Choose the tipped over paint bucket, which is Fill. Choose Fill. Choose Picture or Texture. Online, type Baseball and select any baseball picture you'd like. Insert. I liked the stacked version instead of the stretched, so I'm going to click Stack. Go to the next bar, Basketball. Choose Picture. You'll get baseball, but go online. Type Basketball and select one. Insert, and again do the stack. Next one, Football, Picture, Online, Football, and select one and do the stacked. And then last one is Soccer, and select a picture. Insert and stacked. So this, by having, instead of just the colored bars, you actually have icons that represent the categories. So it's unique and it's eye-catching and it looks pretty interesting. What you can also do to the background is on the top part, right-click, which is the chart area, choose Fill, and then go to Picture. And in this category, I'm going to type in Sports Field. And select anything you'd like, insert, and it's the background. Click the geology, and in A1, insert, recommended chart, clustered columns perfect, OK. Move chart to its own sheet, and this is called geology chart. And do the same thing, click the very first one, it selects all of them, click Emerald again, so it's just that one, and then go to Picture, Online, Emerald. Notice it always shows the picture you just chose. Now you'll pick something else. And I like the stacked version. And continue each bar, the gold, silver, ruby, and diamond. Pick something for the background, save, and submit. Thank you.